In our previous class we discussed the topic, our physical environment. In today's class we will be learning the topic, culture. Culture is the way of a group of people. Culture is a way of life or the way people do things. A culture is passed on to the next generation by learning. Types of culture. Material culture. Material culture is the totality of physical objects and belongings of members of a group of people. These are tangible aspects of our culture that can be seen, felt and touched. Non-material culture. Non-material culture includes ideas, beliefs, social roles, rules, ethics, and attitudes of a society. These involve the aspects of our culture that are not tangible but are passed on generation to generation. Things that makes up a culture. Food. Language. Dressing. Music. Religion. So, culture is the totality of the way of life of a people. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.